If you're wondering which email marketing platform is more reliable between Constant Contact and AWeber, you're not alone. Both are solid choices, but after testing them myself, I've got some things you need to know before deciding which one works best for your business. Stick around, because I'll also share a better alternative at the end of this video that might be more suited to your needs. Let's start with Constant Contact. The first thing to note is that Constant Contact is a powerhouse in terms of ease of use. It's designed for beginners, and its drag-and-drop email editor is pretty intuitive. You'll have no trouble creating professional-looking emails. It also has a great selection of templates, and the automation features, while not the most advanced, are still decent for basic campaigns. Next thing, Constant Contact's customer support. Their support is a major selling point. If you ever run into issues, you can count on their live chat, phone support, and a comprehensive knowledge base to get you back on track quickly. This makes it a strong contender for people who prioritize customer service, but keep in mind that their support is only available during business hours, which could be a downside for some users. The fourth thing to mention is pricing. Constant Contact is on the higher side when it comes to email marketing services. While they do offer a 30-day free trial, their pricing model can get expensive, especially as your email list grows. If you're just starting out, you might find the price tag a bit high for what you're getting. Now let's talk about AWeber. The first thing to know about AWeber is its reputation for reliability. It's been around for over 20 years, which means they've built a strong track record of uptime and performance. If you want a platform that just works without any hiccups, AWeber is a solid choice. Next thing, AWeber also offers a drag-and-drop builder that's easy to use. However, compared to Constant Contact, AWeber's template selection can feel a bit more limited, and its automation features, though effective, aren't as user-friendly. If you're looking for something a bit more advanced, AWeber might not be the best fit. The third thing to consider is integrations. AWeber integrates well with most third-party tools, including CRMs, e-commerce platforms, and social media networks. While Constant Contact has a good range of integrations too, AWeber's options are generally more comprehensive, making it easier to plug into your existing tech stack. The fourth thing, AWeber's customer service is good, but it doesn't quite measure up to Constant Contact. You do have email and live chat support, but no phone support like you get with Constant Contact. This can be a deal breaker for some who need real-time help. Lastly, let's talk about pricing. AWeber's pricing is competitive, and it offers a free plan for up to 500 subscribers, which is great for small businesses or people just getting started. However, once you need more features or grow your list, you might find it a bit pricier compared to others in the market. So, which platform is more reliable? Well, it really depends on what you're looking for. If you want a user-friendly interface, excellent customer support, and don't mind paying a bit more for it, Constant Contact is a great choice. On the other hand, if reliability, integrations, and a free plan are more important to you, AWeber is a solid option. But after trying both of these platforms myself, I want to share a better alternative for the goal of finding a truly reliable, feature-rich platform that won't break the bank. If you're serious about email marketing and want a better solution than what we've discussed today, check out the first link in the description for a free trial and exclusive benefits you can't get anywhere else. Both Constant Contact and AWeber are great tools, but for those who want something that checks all the boxes without any compromises, this new option will deliver. Take advantage of the free trial through our link to get the best deal available to our viewers.